Hello and welcome to a BMC 1971 video and a Funko Pop Obsessed video. This is actually my toy room. So I have two bedrooms, and the one bedroom obviously I sleep in. The second bedroom is my toy room. So I thought I'd take you on a little tour. This is mainly where I have my Doctor Who Funko Pops, and I started displaying my Rainbow High dolls. So you can see my Funko Pop, my Doctor Who's there, and then my Rainbow High dolls. Now some of them are wearing different outfits. I like to change up their outfits. I don't like to keep them in their originals all the time. So this is series 3 that I have. And then series 2 is up here. This is the only space I had for them. So, and then you can see I've got some Funko Pops up there, mainly Alien. I got the Gorn. I've got the Alien Queen. I got Jaws. So those are kind of a mishmash of things. And then over here I have some Walking Dead and some Jason Momoa. So I've got his Khal Drogo and I've got Aquaman. And then I have kind of some Batman, some Venom, some Venomized Funko Pops. And then I have Jet Dawson, Jet Dawson there. And then I have Hellboy and some Pan's Labyrinth and some other creatures over there, which is hard to see. And then down there I have some other, I got Buffy and whatnot. It's kind of hidden away, but I'm running out of space. So, and then I have my Millennium Falcon, which is like from when I was little. So I've got that. And then I have in here, this is actually a prop from my favorite show, Hannibal, the bucket. I don't know, many of you have maybe watched Hannibal or not, but that's how I started collecting Funkos, actually, because I started collecting the Hannibal Funkos. So that's how I started. And then I have, this is my kind of my wall, my Star Wars wall. So you can see it's kind of a mishmash of Funko Pops and dolls and other collectibles that are Star Wars related. I have an AT-AT up there, and I got the Devious Girls up there from Rainbow High. You can see, and I've got some other Darth Maul stuff and some other things. And I have my original carrying case that keeps the Star Wars and Empire figures in, and they're actually in there. So that's pretty cool. And then I have, down here I have, it's a cabinet that's just got some old toys in it. I've got my Barbies and my Charlie's Angel van and some newer stuff over in this end. It's got Star Wars on it, in it. I haven't really displayed this properly because it's kind of just, I've been putting stuff in there just to kind of get out of the way. My backgrounds. And my exercise bike, which I use sometimes, but it's a good place for it. I can admire all my stuff. So, and then on this wall unit I have mainly Grogu. There is some other Star Wars, there is some other figures, but it's mainly Grogu on the first two shelves. And then I have 3 of my Rainbow High dolls from series 1 there. And then these are my Hannibal Funko Pops here, along with, I did a bunch of custom ones too, so they're in behind the original ones. And then I have over here, I have an IKEA cabinet full of stuff. So I've got Homer up there, my Moo Moo Homer, which I adore. And then I've got the little Millennium Falcon from Funko Pop, and I've got my original Princess Leia in here doll. I got a Frankie, she's in the corner there, Monster High, and I have my glasses, and then I have my Wonder Woman in her jet plane. And more Star Wars stuff. I got Grogu down here with Star Wars glasses, and then I've got the Slave One with little tiny Boba Fett down there. And then this is the area where I have a lot of also Hannibal stuff. I haven't figured out what to put in there yet, so that one's still empty. And I've got the big poster from Silence of the Lambs on a plaque. And then this is where I video everything, take pictures. You can see that. It's a very small space. I want to get a bigger space for that. And then over here is some Rainbow High stuff. Some Rainbow High clothing and racks and stuff. This is my bookmark rack. I make bookmarks, so unfortunately I haven't been able to get out to sell any because of the pandemic, but they're all ready to go whenever I have a chance. So some of these photos, I actually took these photos at the Del Toro exhibit. So, yeah, because I'm a photographer as well. So, and then over here, I have my friend Mandy, my friend Jenny, who are from when I was a little young. They're from Fisher-Price. I have some more Funko Pops and some Barbies. And I have the Rockstar Band here. So I've got Carmen, Lyric, and Vanessa all decked out there in their outfits with their instruments. And then down here is just kind of my old dolls that I have. I got a Mon Chichi, my Cabbage Patch Kid, and some random stuff that I don't know what to do with right now, so I just shoved it in there. And I got a Holly Hobby doll too. So you can see that there. So, and then I have this lovely mannequin, which I adore. I really love, so it's great to have that. And then I have, this is my last wall in here where I have some, you can see I have some Rainbow High stuff. I have a Barbie. I have a Wonder Woman comic and a lunch pail. And this is mainly my Wonder Woman wall because I've got Wonder Woman here. She's up here. These are the 80th anniversaries. And then Wonder Woman 84. My Wonder Woman Barbie. And then more Wonder Woman stuff. You can see. And then I've got Kelly Garrett from Charlie's Angels. Marilyn Monroe. I commissioned those. And then I have Violet and... crap, I can't remember her name right now. Avery, that's what it is. Avery here, just because I have no room for them anywhere else right now, so they're here. She's from Series 1, and she's just came with the rolling rack full of clothes, so yeah, so I'm missing 2 from Series 1, so I'm still on the hunt for those. So that's, and then over here, I have my miniature collection that I was collecting. Miniature, so a lot of it's calico critters, some of it is little woodsies, and some of it's just wooden furniture that I picked up at different places. So that's my little miniature collection. You can see there. I even made the shelving unit for it. So, and then out in the hallway, if we go out, you can see I have some Barbies. I have a Charlie's Angel Barbie. I have a Holiday Barbie. I have Tyr Anasazi from Andromeda. And I have my Marilyn Barbie as Marilyn. I have 3 of them. There you go. And you can see I have my Made to Move Barbies sitting on the shelf here when I'm not using them. They sit here, so those are those. That's pretty much my toy room. I am thinking of actually switching rooms because my bedroom is bigger, so I'm thinking of switching rooms because I don't have any more room to grow in here. So, oh, I was gonna say I got a Doctor Who, some commissioned artwork there that I had by a local artist. So I try to put up artwork as well. So this is from a local artist as well. Yeah, so that's my toy room. Thank you for watching. If you want to follow me, you can either follow me on, or both, at BMC_1971, or Funko Pop _obsessed. Those are my 2 Instagram accounts. So you can follow me on those, or you can subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.